What we now need to do is we need to place the code inside of our website for the tag to work. And we are now going to use the HTML tag, or if you want to use an AMP tag, you can use it. In most cases, you will be using an HTML tag. So we're going to copy the tag code. Once we have the snippet copied, we can then head back to our website. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to place the code after the header tag on our page that we are tracking. The code is now placed. We're going to click Save and Continue. And when you come back to look at your tag, you might see that the status is unverified. If that's the case, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click the Troubleshoot button. And you'll need to go through a process where you're going to open up the Tag Assistant, connect to your website, test the conversion by visiting the page, and then close the Tag Assistant. We're going to connect to our page. We are then going to visit our thank you page. You should then be able to come back to your conversions page. You should then be able to see that the tag on the page is working. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. If you are having problems getting Google to verify the tag on your website, you will need to add in a plugin, provided that the plugin does not cause conflicts and it's safe for your installation. Anytime that you're going to install a plugin to your WordPress website, you do want to make sure it's going to be safe for your installation as well as all of your other plugins. Now, if that is the case and you verified that, you're going to go to Add Plugins. I'm going to type in Tag Manager. You're then going to see a plugin here called SiteKit by Google. We're going to install and activate that plugin. Within SiteKit, we're going to click on Connect More Services. We're then going to click on Set Up Tag Manager. We're going to connect to our Google account. We're going to click Continue. Google will need to verify our site ownership. We are then going to click Next. We're going to click Next again. We're now going to click Go to My Dashboard. We're going to confirm our account in SiteKit. We are now set up on Google Tag Manager. You should then be able to test your landing page, and that is connected to the Google Tag Assistant. And you should see this message in the bottom right-hand corner saying that your Tag Assistant is connected and that your tag can be seen in your Google Ad account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. If you go to your favorite search engine and you search for YouTube ads, you can go to the YouTube ads homepage. What you can then do is you can go to this area that says how it works. You're going to go to this link that says create a video ad. And if you don't know how you're going to create your YouTube video ad, YouTube does give you tools that will help you to create your YouTube ad. For example, you can see as of the recording of this video that there are pre-made templates to create a YouTube video ad. And you're going to see here in this section, there will be a link that says try Google Ads video creation tools. You are going to select your Google Ads account. What you're then going to do is go to the asset library. Once you go to the asset library, you're going to click this button that says New. You're then going to click this area that says Video, and you're going to click Create Video. You are then going to see templates for different videos that you can use for your campaign. If you find that one of the templates works for you, you can then click Use Template. You are then going to give your video a name. You can then select your brand colors. Once you've done that, you can then upload your logo. The recommended size for your logo is 1000 by 500. You can use a tool like Canva, whether you have the free or paid version, in order to create a logo that will be the right size for your video ad. And when you upload a logo, it will be part of your asset library. You can then select it and then click Save. You'll see your logo here in this area. Now, in this individual template, what you're going to notice is that you have recommended sizes for image, but for this template, each of these images is required for you to use it. And if you click this arrow, you'll be able to follow the progress of how your ad is going to look here in this area. Once you have all of your images uploaded, you can then write in the text as suggested by Google. Google will then give you a font catalog, which you can choose the font. You can then select specific music, and you can listen to that music here in this area. And once you have everything ready, you can then click Create Video. You can choose to have the video ad located in video ad storage created by YouTube or your own channel. We're going to select Video Ad Storage Channel. Once you complete it, you can either edit the video or you can upload the video. Once your video is ready, you can then upload it to your storage area. And we have started the uploading process. And we will pick it up from here in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. Once your video has been uploaded, it will then be part of your asset library, and you will be able to see it here among your images and anything else that you have used for your Google Ads. What you can then do is to click this blue button. You can then click the video button. You can then click Add a Voiceover. You can then select from the videos you created in Google Ads. You're going to click this area, and when you place the cursor in the dialog box, you're then going to see the ad that you created. What you can then do is click Enhance Video. You're going to see three areas. You're going to see the video. You're going to see the selected voice. You're also then going to see the message that you're going to type in that will be part of your video. So we are going to select a specific voice. We are then going to write in the voiceover message. If you want to start the message at a specific time, you can write that time in. If you want to add on to this message, you can click this Add Message button. You'll then get another dialog box. What you'll then want to do is to click this button to preview the voiceover.
Come to the Video Tutorials Masterclass. Come hear from Thomas Duncan and Harlan Jackson. They will teach on video tutorials.
You can test different voices. So for example, if you want a different voice, you can do that, the voiceover.
Come to the Video Tutorials Masterclass. Come hear from Thomas Duncan and Harlan Jackson. They will teach on video tutorials.
You can choose to turn the volume on the video down so that the music plays in the background and the voice plays in the foreground. What you can then do is to click this button that says Create Video. And your video will start the creation process. Once your video has completed its processing, you can then upload it to your storage area, and your video will go through the upload process. You'll then be able to click the link to see it in a YouTube format, and you'll be able to see your video playing. And the new video with the voiceover will then be available here in your asset library to be used for your ad campaign. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in addition to the Google Ad Creation tool and those mentioned earlier in the course, there are other recommended resources by YouTube Ads. You can go to this Resources section. You can then go to this Creative Resources tab. YouTube will recommend specific formats and structures for your video in this Video Techniques link. You'll also see an element here that says Find a Creative Partner. In this area, if you want to outsource your ad creation, you can work with these featured partners. What you'll also see are do-it-yourself platforms where you can create your video, make it look professional without having the expense of hiring the process out. As of the recording of this video, there are 5 do-it-yourself platforms, and there are 12 professionals to whom you can outsource the process. If you want to see some of the work done by the creative partners, you can go here in this area that says Looking for Inspiration. You're going to see their name here at the bottom of their ad, and you can scroll through the various advertisements. So you can use any of the Google Partner resources in order to create your video if it's something that you don't want to do from your desktop software. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.